Dear Spirit, with pure intent, I release all that does not serve me in fulfilling my purpose. I forgive myself for the decisions I made in a less empowered state, and I understand that they were the tool of learning that I needed at the time. I understand that I am not bound to those mistakes, and I have the power to dictate my experience going forward. I know now that it is my internal dialogue that dictates that which I manifest in the physical. The external world has no influence over that which I create unless it is my free will to do so. My awareness is to remain in the now moment, free of all beliefs, judgments, and limiting behaviors associated with the linear timeline. With this breath, so be it.